storm pounds the Bahamas and threatens Florida. The storm was just north of Grand Bahama Island, delivering 110 miles per hour winds and ceaseless downpours. It could move dangerously close to Florida later Tuesday. Hurricane Dorian's winds have lost some of their force. The storm is now a Category 2 hurricane, and it is inching northwest away from the Bahamas. The storm continues to whip the Bahamas, with strong winds and rising waters. The hurricane, while losing some wind speed, is growing in size. According to the NHC, hurricane force winds now extend outward up to 60 miles from the center, while tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 175 miles. Death toll in the Bahamas will go up, official says. Hurricane Dorian is weakening in intensity and growing in size. Hurricane Dorian is the strongest storm to ever threaten Florida's east coast. Batters Bahamas. The storm, which hit the northern Bahamas as one of the strongest on record in the Atlantic. The hurricane, now with 110 miles per hour winds, was expected to start turning north near Florida's eastern coast by Wednesday, according to the National Weather Service. Dorian's path could threaten Florida, Georgia, the Carolinas and Virginia. Hurricane Dorian, downgraded to Category 2 storm, continues its assault on the Bahamas.